Hello friends, so welcome back to another financial analysis for my predictions. We have right here the NVIDIA prediction and I'll cover the Euro Forex chart very soon. Let's begin right here with the day of, let's take the first day of the chart, which is the 4th of February. Today is the 6th, so you can see that the 4th of February was it's a green day. The day closed higher, but it's not that really high. There was some energies about these red candles, a yellow day. I thought it could be more volatile, but remember, this is a range. It's not supposed to mean all of these days. In this case, from the 4th to the 6th, all of them will be very volatile, okay? It only represents one. And in this case, it's actually the 5th of February, the day which had the most volatility. We'll cover this very soon, but yeah, for the 4th, basically almost closes in a similar position, slightly higher. So it's good news because I thought that we could open this chart this Tuesday with a correction. Remember, the markets right now are feeling very bearish. You have cryptocurrencies, you have geopolitical tensions, you have many things that are just adding up to the bearish mode. Okay, I even saw that I think Amazon had a massive crash, like 6 to 7%, something like that. So it's definitely not right. It's really the sentiment of the markets right now. So really good that we didn't really open with a crash or a correction. Like I told you, this is the 5th of February, and we have that the position was the most volatile out of all of the other days that we're currently analyzing. For example, we have almost 4% gain, a 4% movement, trending upwards. I told you this will be the most volatile day because the 5 is shared by the both circles. We have the red and the green one, so very, very volatile. Not really as extremely dramatic as the other days in, for example, the last days of January, but still nonetheless, it was a volatile day. Now, for this day today, also continues going upwards. So it's, again, very good news right here, okay? Very good news. We have basically kind of round tripping to 2%, a 2% movement gain. Rounding it up. So yeah, it's good news because again, I thought that we could see major corrections in this first, at least the 4th of February. But yeah, it's good because maybe this means that the 7th will be a more relaxed day. But there's kind of a danger. I do have some worries about this because even though the chart does not show this, if we go to my other charts, and we'll cover the Euro charts very soon, but if you go to my crypto charts, we have that day, the 7th of January, either as a very volatile day or as a solid red day. For example, this is Bitcoin right here. This one is Solana, another cryptocurrency. The 7th also very volatile. And I have the other one right here, which is Stellar. Also very volatile. So yeah, the same patterns, guys. The same patterns with NVIDIA could repeat, and on that day could be very volatile on February. I thought it could be relaxed. Maybe it can, but now looking at this better with all of the other charts in the analysis as well, it really tells me that it could be a very volatile day, a very volatile Friday. So let's go and look at the Euro chart, the Forex chart right here. Yeah, we have the same days, very volatile days. On the Euro, it shows it as a solid red day, so it's quite dangerous for the Eurozone. Okay, we saw a nice pump, really volatile pump on the 4th of February, just like I told you. Remember, the boxes or the rectangles, whatever you call them, have a higher hierarchy than circles. They mean usually bigger movements or the most important ones or the most decisive ones. That's why they are marked within a box and not within a circle. So this is where the day begins, and somewhere around here is where it closes. So very, very nice movement, almost 1%. So very, very nice. This was a perfect movement for some profits. After that, we see that the 5 is also it's kind of an interesting day, because this pattern right here, it's kind of rare to see, at least for me. I mean, I don't remember seeing this very often, but anyways, it really looks kind of weird. But since the day starts right here, it closes right around here, something like that. So it could be a yellow day by all means, because even though the price went up, it immediately went down after they got this level. So it goes down, it's a yellow day, just like I told you it will be, the 4 being a very volatile, going upwards. And the 6 is also basically a yellow day, because the position from the starting position to the final and current position is basically the same. Okay, there's barely any changes at all. We saw a dip and a recovery afterwards, so it's really another yellow day, just like the 5. So again, these circles, yellow circles, they always represent volatility or range. Okay, in this case, we got a very volatile 4th of February because the box was here telling us, and we got another yellow days for the 5 and today as well, because again, there was no box. There was a small chance, maybe, if it can close in the next couple hours, very I mean, if it closes higher with some strong movements, maybe it can be counted as a green day. But right now, it's basically a range. And remember, the 7th of February is looking like it could be a very volatile day across the markets. Okay, in this case, the Eurozone of the Euro shows it as a very potential dangerous day. Okay, we have a correction coming up for that day, and it could spell some doom right now for the markets. It will be interesting how these react. But yeah, that's basically all I have for you guys. A very quick video. I want to remind you all to subscribe, share, and like. Follow this channel. Follow my other crypto channels. The links should all be updated finally. For some reason, YouTube was not showing them correctly. So whatever. Anyways, I wish you a good day. Subscribe, like, and share, and I'll see you guys next time. Take care.